Welcome there. I hope everyone here is fine. Today, actually, I'd like to talk about the CountIF and SumIF function. As I said before, I'd like to talk or go through the function. I'm not talking about formatting, making table in smart ways, just or neither dashboard. Just I'd like to talk about formulas. Okay. So today, as I said, we will go through CountIF and SumIF. Let's start quickly by CountIF. And as I said in the first video, the language of the language of the cell is equal to. In order to build any formula in Excel, you have to start by equal to. Okay, but what is the purpose of CountIF? Let's check it. Here in the column of month, we have Jan, Feb, March. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a frequency of Jan in the same column like 4 times. Well, my question is, if we have a huge data and I'd like to know the frequency of one cell, actually this is very difficult to know and take many times. So what I have to do, just write down equal to count. Here we have many counts. I think in the next video we can talk about. So let's pick up CountIF. We have here 2 arguments. The first one is range and the second one is criteria. What is the range here? It's starting from Jan to March, and our criteria here is Jan. Actually, I write it down here. So click enter. It appears as 4 times. If you want to change a search or change if you want to change your criteria, you can select Feb and it appears 4 times. If you want to change and search for March, it appears at 5 times as a frequency. So this is all about CountIF. What about SumIF? SumIF actually is so easy as well. What is the purpose of SumIF? Here, for example, I have the region. I'd like to know, in case A, for example, what is the total volume or the total cells in case A. So actually, this one is so easy. What you have to do is SumIF. Here we have 3 arguments. The first one, this is the range, okay. And what is your criteria? As I said, case A, okay. And the last one is some range. There is the calculation here. Here is the calculation, and click enter. So the total unit sold in case A is 520. If I'd like to change, for example, to search for example, UAE, just select the criteria and some range. Appears the total units sold in UAE is 250. We can change for example US. Just change the criteria and select US and appear 340. So guys, this is all about CountIF and SumIF. If you have any comment, please leave it and I will reply accordingly. Many thanks for watching.